Hi my children, how are you all? Fine, very good. Are you studying at home? Yes, you have to revise all the subject, dear children. Yes, every day you have to do cursive writing, then GK, then phonophone book reading, all the subjects you have to revise. Yes, my dear children. Yes, so welcome back to your favorite class, and that is GK. And in GK, today we are going to do lesson number 4. And what is the name of lesson number 4? Lesson number 4 is good manners. Yes, you know children, our school is very famous for what? Yes, you know that? No, our school is very famous for good manners and discipline. Yes, so I will tell you about the good manner. Okay, so listen carefully. Children, good manners teach us how to behave with others. Yes, it is the base of relation we maintain in the outer life. For every stage of life, manners plays an important role. Yes. So children, our first manner is be polite with everyone. So you have to be polite with all community workers, and you have to help your school peon. Yes children. Next one is you have to greet your teacher. Wish everyone means whenever you come to school, first of all you have to wish to the principal and the teacher. You have to greet. Say good morning sister, good morning miss, like this. If any guest come to your house, you have to greet them. Greet means you have to wish them. This is one of the good manners. Let's go ahead. You have to talk softly with everyone, not only with friends. Okay, you don't have to shout, to talk very softly with each and every person. Yes, we have to give respect to our elder. Yes, so talk softly. Next one is sorry, thank you, please, and welcome. These all are golden words. These all are golden words. Come on, tell me which are the golden words? Thank you, please, sorry, welcome, and excuse me. These all are golden words we have to use in our daily life. Yes, when you have to say sorry, if you do some mistake or if you hurt someone, that time you have to say sorry to next person. Yes, this is one of the good manner. Thank you. When you receive some gift, when you get chocolates, when your teachers give you star, anything, then you have to use thank you. Yes, don't forget to use these golden words in your daily life. Next one is please. If you want something, for an example, if you are at home, you want to drink water, that time you have to use please. Mama, please, can you give me one glass of water? Miss, please, can you teach me again? So in the daily life, you have to use please with everyone. And last one is welcome. If anyone come to your house or anyone say thank you to you, you have to say welcome. Yes, so these are the golden words, you have to use it. Yes, next one is care and share. You have to take care of your family member and even your friends in the school. Yes, care and share. You have to share your tiffin box. You have to share pencil, eraser, everything with your friends. Okay, these are the very important good manners. Yes, so this is the meaning of care and share. You can see they are eating tiffin box. They are eating here tiffin box and they are sharing with each other. Yes, children. Next one is obey all the school rules. Means you have to walk in line, you have to be disciplined, punctual. These all are the different rules in the school. So you have to obey this all the rules. So all the teachers like that good children only. So you have to obey all the school rules. How they are walking in line and going to class without making noise. So like this, whenever you come to school, you have to obey all the school rules. Yes, children. Next one is punctual and well dressed. Punctual means on time. You have to come to school on time. Don't come late. Wherever you have to go, you have to be on time. And well dressed means your uniform should be ironed and you have to dress up nicely. You have to cut your hair, cut your nails regularly. Yes, this is called well dressed. Let's go ahead, see the next one. We must look after the school property. School property means your classroom, your benches, your blackboard, everything are called school property. So you have to take care of your school property. You don't have to spoil it. Yes, understood? Yes, shall we go ahead? Yes, very good. Next one is, see, this is the picture of community helpers. This is doctor, this is teacher, this is clerk, policeman, postman, gardener, sweeper. So with all members, with all the community members, you have to talk very softly and you have to be respectful with each and every person. Yes, children? So let's see next one. Principal. Principal is the head of the school. So you have to be very respectful with principal. Yes, you have to greet, you have to say thank you, sorry, all these golden words. Use that all golden words in the school. Yes. Next one is teacher. Teacher teaches us. Yes, so you have to obey all the things whatever your teacher is saying. Are you good children? Yes. You have to obey all the things whatever your teacher is telling to you. Yes. Next one is cleaner. Cleaner cleans the school. So you have to be very respectful with the cleaner. Yes, children. With all the peons and cleaners, sweeper, gardener, watchman, with all this worker, you have to talk softly and you have to give respect to them. Next one is watchman. As I said just now only, you have to behave very good with these people. We should say please when we want something. If you need anything, because you are small children and you are saying to elder ones, so if you need anything, you have to use please. Yes, don't forget them. From today onwards, you start using please with your mummy. Yes, mama, please, can you give me a glass of water? Mama, please, can you do this for me? Like this, you have to use please in your daily life. This is a courtesy. Yes. Next one is we should not fight, harm or tease. Means we don't have to fight with our friends, with our brother and sister, yes, and we do not harm to other children or other people. Our behavior should be always good with other, yes, understood children? So next one is we say sorry if someone's hurt or we make mistake. If you make mistake, then what you have to say? Sorry, and sorry is the golden words. Yes, you are a small child, so you have to say sorry to all the elders. Yes, children. Next one is we say excuse me to be heard. So if two people are talking and you want to say something, that time also you have to say excuse me. If you don't listen anything, you want to repeat that sentence, that time also you have to say excuse me. Yes, children? So use excuse me while doing this activity. Next one is we listen when people talk to us. If your mummy, if your teacher, if your daddy say anything to you, so you have to listen carefully. Yes, don't play with any object. You have to listen whatever they are saying. Yes, and listen, and after listening you have to obey it. Yes, very good, children. Next one is we share our toys and wait for our turn. See, in this picture you can see all friends are sharing their toys, book, food with their friend, and in the second picture you can see they are waiting for their turn. See, this boy is on the slide and others are standing in a queue. So like this you have to wait for your turn. You don't have to rush. Yes. Next one is we should stand in a queue and do not rush. Just now only I said you have to wait. Yes, you have to make a queue and you have to wait. Don't rush. If you rush, then you get hurt. Yes. Next one is good manners means just be kind. If you obey all the good manners, then all the teachers, mummy, daddy like you. So be a good children and obey all the good manners and start using thank you, please, sorry, excuse me and welcome. These 5 golden words. Yes, children. Now, dear children, we are going to match with the correct picture. Here are some activity. In this activity, you have to see the picture and then you have to match with the correct golden words. See, in the first picture, what you can see? All men and women are standing, yes, and talking with each and other. So if you want to say anything, that time what you have to use? THANK, thank you, or EXCUSE, excuse me. What you have to say? Just now only Miss taught you. Come on, tell me. So this picture will go with excuse me. So you have to match like this. Yes, children. Next picture is one boy is giving gift to this girl. So what you have to say if you receive any gift from your friend? Yes, very good. Thank you. So thank you spelling is THANKYOU. So match this picture with thank you. Yes, understood? Another picture is, see, this boy is playing with the ball and he broke this pot. So mummy will punish him. So what he will say to mummy? Sorry. Yes. So match this picture with SORRY. Sorry. You have to read this spelling. Okay, children? No need to remember this spelling. Only you have to read it. Yes. Next picture is one boy standing out and asking to mummy or teacher, may I come in? Yes, so where is may I come in? Here, M-A-Y, me, I, C-O-M-E, come in. May I come in? So come on, match this picture with may I come in? Yes. So my dear children, I hope you understood what are the good manners and you start using in your daily life. Yes, till then bye. See you in the next video.